In 2021, you guys were looking for a lawnmower to retrofit a Vanguard on. We had one available for you and we love the idea of it. And we've been big Vanguard fans ever since. I'm Travis Koning from Action Lawn Care and Snow Plowing. Just shy of 30 lawnmowers. We have 6 lawn care crews, power on hills, power in long wet grass. Maintenance on 30 lawnmowers is expensive. You can about buy a new lawnmower for what it takes to maintain, 20, 30 lawnmowers. Essentially reducing that to 1/5 of the normal oil range, that's a big deal. That's a lot of money.
So far from what I've seen since I've been here, it's been dependable. Just not a lot of downtime. That's the biggest thing for us. It's the dependability. It can handle the 10-hour days, 5 days a week.
When I was young, I was always doing it on the holidays. Well, now with a 500-hour oil life, I can take some days off. Now, the second I fired that lawnmower up, I knew I liked it. I would tell anybody who doesn't own a Vanguard to buy one, simply quit wasting their money. I have pretty good brand loyalty, so once we find something we like, we do tend to stick with it. Just turns out we found something else we like better.